This is hello guys, good morning. We are here in waterfront. Yeah, so first of all we need to go to the ATM machine. Run out of money. This is the mall. And we need some breakfast. They have different pieces here. Oh, nice! This is a nice oil and lotion. Smelling good. Oh, we need to find a ATM. Okay. This is a big place, by the way, and we have H&M here. I need to see the ATM. Okay, I got it. It's actually a nice place. I need to just withdraw some money. And I'm going here. We're going on vacation. We are. Look at this place. The chocolate area. Oh, the bank is here. This is an H&M. Let me go and get some money. Yeah, they have breakfast. We're looking for rice. I'm hungry. I've not eaten rice the whole day, so a good rice would be very vital at the moment. It's a Turkish restaurant on China. How do you think? Asian. That one there's more food there. This one is a lot. Maybe. The water is clean. This is like nice. Alright. Let's just go here. Maybe there's some food. You want to play chess? Oh, there's a dance? There. We're going to dance. Good. Yeah.
I think we can't walk far. No worries. Can I please have you?
We are going on this boat.
Yeah, we're getting on the boat.
Peter.
Hello guys, we are going on a boat cruise today, sunset boat cruise. Where are they? Let's go. We have this. Can you bring this one back?
You online booking?
Yeah, I mean, because I wasn't salted.
Hey, hi, hi. Okay, no problem.
We are now friends for approximately hour and a half.
Oh, okay.
I'll throw you overboard. No joke.
Interesting.
How are you, man? Machi! Hey!
Hello guys, we're moving now. Moving. We're going to a 1 hour and a half boat cruise. So we are going. See. Yay! I have to hold. Peanut charge. Amazing. Is our boat over here. And so we are ready to sail. Huh? Pardon? You want to go there? Now? Like where we're moving?
I'm a big young
You can't stand like that. It's not flat. The same. Woo! We're flying. Yes. Yes, bitch. Wow. Wow. Woo! Water is freezing and it's cold. Yay! Wow. This is insane, guys. The wave is too strong, but yeah. Yes. Woo. Like wow. Look at that. We're just right there. Woo! We're flying! Flying, flying! Ah. It's amazing. Woo! This is flying. Oh,
Are you guys cool? Not as oh, like, where are you from? I know. California. Oh, okay. Yeah. You guys are used to Then you just run insurance.
It's summer for us.
I know. From like LA or something. Oh, perfect.
hey guys, look at this. Oh, interesting. This is why we came. This is why we're here.
Yeah, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt.
Wow. It's like, look at me. It's amazing. Woo! This is flying. Oh,
Are you guys cool? Not as oh, like, where are you from? I know. California. Oh, okay. Yeah. You guys are used to Then you just run insurance.
It's summer for us.
I know. From like how long
hey guys, look at this. Oh, interesting. This is why we came. This is why we're here.
Yeah, I know. I'm wearing the same sweatshirt.
Wow. It is cold. It is cold. Wow, oh, this water is gigantic wave. Oh my god. The only problem here is that the water is too cold. This is a South Atlantic Ocean, so the water is too cold. We're facing Antarctica, and yeah, it's just too cold. I'm shivering, but for what it's worth, for what it's worth. Oh crap! Oh my god, this is gigantic. Wow, look at that. Every time of my life. Woo! Oh. Every time of my life.
Here we go!
Yeah. Oh. Wow. Hello, Rachel.
Okay.
Good, good. We are bombing. Yo. Woo! Of my life. Hey, oh, hey, oh. Wow. What a fun. Yeah! Oh my god, this is my song. Yeah.
Ah,
No, no, you guys get in it.
wow.
Get in there. Oh! Damn! Look at that fresh shoe. Okay. Oh, look at that! Ooh! Reaction tonight. Oh, so good tonight. Woo! Ooh, love like you tonight.
Wow! Thank you so much! Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Tomorrow. Thank you very much. We have enjoyed a lot. Thank you, bro. How are you? Good. It was very nice. I enjoyed it. So much dancing. Yeah, this song. This song. No. Wow. What's up, guys? We just had the most amazing sunset tour here in Cape Town. It's just amazing. It's just so beautiful. We enjoyed a lot. Eh. How much is this? You have 100 grand? Your photo. You pay. You cannot leave the. You cannot leave our face here. Hey guys! We are here at the pier, the harbor. Wow. Can you imagine? We just finished our sunset tour. I was just like having fun, vibing, dancing with the people. They were so happy with my dance. It's just beautiful. We are here now. Wow, this is a night in Cape Town. I will never forget this world. Will never forget this place. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. It's just amazing. We did the tour today. It was crazy, amazing. It's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Just kind of really vibe with the crowd over there, and it's just amazing. It's just so beautiful. This is, it's amazing. It's just I love every second of it.